YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Pulling the fifth wheel. As I was pulling out, I turned my tire minder on and one of my tires said it was 50 pounds. So I went back here and undid my tire minder, and sure enough, 53 pounds. It took me about 90. So I just wanted to show you my onboard air compressor. This is why we did this, so that I would be able to attach this. The camper's still attached. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh, gotta use both. Boom. Putting air in the tire. Air compressor's kicking on the truck. Just how I planned it. I would have to disconnect the truck or find a way to get the portable air compressor with the battery, all that mess. So we're putting air in there. Here we go. If you guys would like to see that video on the onboard air compressor, I probably should put one together of what I've done and how I've done it, and train horn and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Thank you, everyone. Until next time.